and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The days of spirituality of the Salesian family have been an unmissable appointment for more than 40 years for all those who recognize themselves in the charism of Don Bosco. They are an opportunity to share dreams, hopes and expectations, and this year especially an opportunity to get to know and deepen the lead dimension of the Salesian family and hear the message of the Srena for the new year from the living voice of the Rector Major himself. It is ultimately an opportunity to tap into the roots of one's being of Don Bosco. The 2023 Days of Spirituality of the Salesian family will be held in Turin Valdoco from January 12 to 15, with some moments made accessible to all through digital links, specifically the 9 a.m. morning mass and the afternoon sessions from 3 to 5:30 p.m. UTC+1. A total of about 250 people are expected at the Salesian Mother House, many of whom have already officially registered for the event, and in addition to the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, all the members of his General Council, several superiors and major leaders and representatives of almost all 32 groups of the Salesian family will be present. We wish to fulfill a beautiful experience of Salesian life, of sharing among all of us and of reflection on the Rector Major Srena, commented Father Joan Lewis Playa, Central Delegate of the Rector Major for the Secretariat of the Salesian family. The Mary Help of Christians Vice Province of Myanmar MYM celebrated a Mass of Thanksgiving for Brother Artemide Zati's canonization last December 10. Held at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Anisakant, the celebration was presided over by Father Bosco Zaya Ang, SDP, Superior of the MYM VP, along with 28 other celebrating Salesians. About 100 faithful who came to pay their respects to Saint Artemide Zati participated in this Thanksgiving's Day. In his homily, the Superior expounded on the life and virtues of the new Salesian saint, emphasizing his humble and simple lifestyle and his deep faith in Providence. At the end of the Mass, participants received cards in memory of the day. The celebration was also an opportunity to pray that with the intercession of Saint Zati, God will give new vocations for the Myanmar Vice Province. On Saturday, 10 December, in the parish of Mary Help of Christians in Jarabacoa, Dominican Republic, a Eucharist of Thanksgiving was celebrated for the 75 years of Salesian presence in the city, presided over by Father Victor Pichardo, Director of the Salesian community. During the homily, the rector thanked all the families of the city of Jarabacoa, who from the beginning welcomed the first Salesians by opening the doors of their homes and their hearts to them, and later he also presented to the faithful gathered there the Salesians who were the fruit of the first vocational collection of the Salesian aspirantate, erected precisely in that house. At the end of the celebration, the parish priest Father Juan Francisco Tejada thanked all those who collaborated in the renovation of the parish church, while Father Angel Rogelia Soto, former provincial of ANT and councillor of the work, expressed his gratitude more generally to all the families of the city for their generous support given to the Salesian work of Jarabacoa since its beginning in 1947 and for all the affection, esteem and collaboration given in these 75 years. Through the laying on of hands and consecratory prayer of Monsignor Camilo Castrelont Pisano SDP, Bishop Emeritus of Barand Kabar Meja, Salesian Eva Quisaboni, was ordained a priest. The ceremony took place December 10 at the Shrine of Our Lady of Mount Carmel in Bogota in the presence of Father John Jairo Gomez Rua, Superior of the Salesian Province of Colombia, Bogota, the Salesian community and family and friends of the newly ordained priest. A beautiful home, the warm place of welcome and of one's own security, reduced to a pile of rubble, the objects of one's daily life reduced to mute witnesses to missile attacks. This is a sad experience of Erika, a girl from Irpin in the Kiev region, who with her family lost everything she had. It is a sad experience of thousands of Ukrainian families. My dream has become easier than before, but it seems so difficult to achieve. I just want to go home. I really want to go home. Erika testifies to the Salesian involved in helping the needy. Even today, after more than 10 months of war, the Salesian Coordination for Emergency Response in Ukraine is committed to helping Erika and those in her situation through the delivery of humanitarian aid and basic necessities and goods, in sheltering in the least at-risk places in Ukraine and neighboring countries, and by offering psychosocial support, job guidance to refugees, recreational and educational activities to minors, who have fled the war, language courses in foreign countries. Salesian efforts have not gone unnoticed. Indeed, in several cases, they have even received public acknowledgements, as was the case in Slovakia, where last month Father Peter Jako, Vicar of Salesian Province, Mary Help of Christians, symbolically received the Bela Rana Award for a socially useful and courageous civic act, a definition meant to pay tribute to all those who in some way contributed to helping Ukrainian refugees during the most difficult time of the war in Ukraine. This award is given as a thank you to the rare people around us who are willing to stand up for truth and justice, who have demonstrated civic courage through a concrete act, who have suppressed personal interests in the name of the public good, values or principles, and who have made taken risks, various hardships or suffered convictions, explain the initiators of the initiative in awarding the prize. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.